Thanks guys for coming and watching. We're gonna section it in a mohawk to the part. Then you're gonna have 2 sections on the side and 2 sections on the other side. Dry her 90 to 95% upside down. Woo! She's lying. This is what you want it to look like. A wish. So I'm gonna just section it out. Literally, I'm gonna do the whole head the same exact way. And you're gonna put that hair nice and tight, just so you guys know. And you're gonna over direct this forward. The blow dryer is gonna be in front. You're gonna take it, see all these ends? Those wispy ends, you're gonna get those ends, get those ends, get those ends. And then you're just gonna roll them in there, blow dryer, and you're gonna see how good and strong this piece is gonna be right here. Super, this is your most important is your top. That's how you get a full volume blowout. You're gonna really get this brush hot. I want to show you what this is going to look like. Look at that beautiful volume. Whoa, right? That's what you want. You want that to say. You could even put a clip in there if you wanted, but I don't even have a clip in there. And look how good that product makes it stay, right? So I'll get that out of the way. And now I want to do the next section. And the front one, I'm actually going to do forward so I could do a nice sweep, a nice side sweep. Do the same exact thing through the whole entire head, but this is your most important part. So we'll just do this nice and quickly. I take the blow dryer and just re-blow dry it a little bit with my hands to separate some of those pieces. One thing, you can create 5 other things. It's the best part. And you are all set with the full volume blowout. Yay, you did it. Practice, practice, practice makes improvement. Don't forget.